Wow, check out this Camaro. 1971 Camaro Super Sport. This is a real SS car. Split bumper, rally nose, beautiful car all around, yellow, black stripes. It's got that bumblebee look to it. 383 stroker. Look at the pictures. When you look under the hood of this car, it looks like jewelry. Completely restored. Very little miles on the restoration. Body lines are beautiful. Paint is beautiful. She runs and sounds great. 5-speed Tremec, power steering, disc brakes. All redone custom interior. Upgraded stereo. Just a beautiful 71 Camaro SS. Awesome color combination.